Hi guys, I hope you're all doing great. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a user on Microsoft Entra. Are you ready? So let's get started. First, you should log in into Microsoft Entra Admin Center. It is very easy. Just type intra.microsoft.com and type your credential, your username and password. And then after that, you will come to this page. As you can see, the dashboard. On the left side, we have different options, which is favorite, identity protection, verified. Click on identity, and then after that, choose under user, choose all user. Okay. At the moment, I have only one user. If I want to create a new one, click on new user. Okay. Here, as you can see, we have two options. We can invite external user and also we can create new user. I will go by default and create new user. Here you can type the username, for example, David at Antic. This is my domain. Okay, I have only one domain. And then after that, type the name David. Let me David John. Okay, and this is my domain. This is the display name. Okay, the password, you can type the password by yourself or auto generate it. If you want to type your password by yourself, you can type it, but I will go with auto generated password and click next. Okay, next. Here you can type the first name, for example, David and John, and the job title you can type, for example, CEO. Just an example, and you can type the city, for example, Zurich, and the country, Switzerland. Okay, mobile phone, email, you can type and you can fill in everything. Then after that, click next. Assignment. If you have a group which you created, you can assign this user to a group. At the moment I don't have any group, I will go and click next. Then after that, you can check everything if it is correct or not and click create. The user has been successfully created, and let's see, refresh it. As you can see, the user David John has been created successfully on Microsoft Entra ID. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you. See you in the next video.